Hi everyone, Emily here. I'm your fancy pharmacist and welcome to Therapeutic Thursday. On this episode of Therapeutic Thursday, we have to review the new NeoTight Revitalizing Eye Serum. A new release from SeneGence just a week ago, and the ingredients are really interesting and unlike anything we have ever had on our line. This is a cutting edge serum that is going to help the under eye area, help reduce sagging and reduce bags, reduce dark circles. And what is very interesting is it can help crepiness and provide like a contoured look. So you also apply it to your upper lid and under the eye, which I find so fascinating because usually when we think of eye serums and eye creams, we're always wanting to put them underneath because they're heavy and they're dense and we don't want to droop our eye more. This actually is applied all the way around the eye because it's going to firm and lift and kind of contour that whole area. First, let's talk a little bit about the data. So in the studies that were done with the NeoTight, which are done in a third-party lab to reduce bias, thank you, SeneGence, things were found. An 84% visibly brightened dark circle area. Hello, I need that. 84% improved the look of under eye bags and puffiness. 93% improved smoothness around the whole eye, and 78% improved the appearance of crepey eyelids. Sound like pretty fantastic results. So let's get into my favorite part, diving into the ingredients. First and foremost, of course, with all SeneGence products, we're going to have our secret sauce, our Seneplex complex, which is that kinetic enzyme that is going to be increasing that cellular turnover at a faster rate, bringing all those new plump skin cells to the surface at a faster rate. That ingredient is going to be in all of our skincare products, all of our cream-based cosmetics, so that doesn't surprise me. The ingredient is actually stem cells from the orchid flower. Orchid stem is designed to improve the appearance of sagging and drooping of the skin for a more lifted look. I had to dive into this product a little bit. I was able to find a little bit of a data sheet, a scientific data sheet on this particular product. And we have these orchid stem cells, and they did studies in vitro on tissue cells. And what we found there is that these orchid stem cells were able to induce many growth factors and stimulate the production of protein, mainly collagen and elastin. That's super interesting. And they also found or listed a broad rejuvenating effects, mainly restoring firmness, elasticity, and eye area volume reduction. Also provides that lifting effect where we see that droopiness. So this is definitely going to be the ingredient that is going to be increasing the firmness around the eye and kind of helping lift the eye. So that is why you can apply this on the eyelid, is because of the orchid stem cells that are going to be doing that. Plus we're going to be producing more collagen, which yay, we all want more collagen in our skincare, and then elastin, which is also an important protein in the skin. Ingredient that I had a really fun time looking up was an ingredient called Mayview. It's actually spelled M-E-I-View, but it's pronounced Mayview. And this is super interesting. Definition is a marine biotechnological active. Okay, so I had to break that down a little bit. So basically this is extracted from bacterial fermentation in a microorganism that lives in a xylophytic plant. This plant is in Spain, grows in saline soil or water. So it's extracted from a plant. It's a bacterial fermentation. And what this does is this is actually going to be reinforcing the epidermal integrity of the skin around the eye area. So again, we have another ingredient that is going to be firming things up. It also increases the formation of collagen, which again, we all like, but the biggest thing that this particular ingredient is useful for is it increases microcirculation. So what that is going to do is it's going to keep all the things moving, and it's going to reduce the puffiness because it's not going to let the fluid accumulate, and then it's also going to get rid of the dark circle appearance. So that was a super cool ingredient. Okay, and then the next ingredient is called Neotite. Of this one says helps to minimize the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines and smooth skin for that filtered look. And it's from sourced seeds from a honey locust tree rich in polysaccharides. Okay, so then when I dug into this a little bit deeper, found is that this ingredient forms a biopolymetric network on the surface of the skin, and it mechanically stretches and tightens the skin. So that's where you're going to get that filtered kind of look around the eye because it's making this matrix on top and kind of stretching the skin and tightening it. So this is the ingredient that when on the bottle it says it starts working in 3 minutes, it's because of the Neotite, okay, or the NeoTight, however you like to say. I have used this product a total of 3 times, and I don't know if about you, but I feel like my under eye area is looking quite fantastic. This ingredient is going to do instant results, and then with continued use, of course, long-lasting results as well. The last active ingredient, again, is going to be one of my favorite ingredients, sodium hyaluronate, which sodium hyaluronate is basically acts as a water reservoir to trap moisture in the skin, and it doesn't allow it to leave. And so that's going to make your skin just plump and vibrant. Let's talk a little bit how to use this product. So this product is best if you're going to use it 2 times a day, morning and night. You're going to pat it gently. I like to use my ring finger around the eye and also put it on your eyelids, but don't put it in your eye, okay? Next, my question would be, well, who would be the ideal person to use this product? Well, I would say anybody who has dark circles, anyone who is concerned about crow's feet, anyone who has sagging eyelids or puffiness underneath their eyes, fine lines and wrinkles, all the things this product is going to help with integrity of the skin. It's going to help tighten and smooth the skin instantly. It's going to help with dark circles and puffiness and any fine lines, wrinkles, and it's also going to contour and kind of lift the eye to help prevent or help reduce that appearance of those crepey eyelids. So anyone who is wanting to do any of those things, this would be the perfect product for them. Would suggest that you only do about a half a pump. I did a full pump this morning, and I was able to use that full pump on both eyes, but I felt like it was a little bit too much product. And so I think a half a pump twice a day is going to last you. Now, the next question would be, in our line of SeneGence cosmetics, where does this fall? It's recommended to cleanse your face, apply climate control, which is our sodium hyaluronate and our Celplex, and then use this. So it's going to be after climate control, before kind of the other rest of your skincare line. It's a very light formula. It absorbs quickly. It leaving the skin soothed and refreshed. This has been clinically studied. It's dermatologist approved. It contains no gluten, no parabens, no animal byproduct, and it's not going to clog your pores, and it's safe for contact wearers. So let me know if this is something that you are planning to try out. Let me know if you have more questions about this product. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, give it a share if you found it helpful. And if you have more questions, please send me a message or comment below. I always love answering any sort of product knowledge questions. And I hope you guys have a good night and happy Therapeutic Thursday.